Hello. So in this video, I would like to do for us a demonstration for the Divi Music Language Composer Pro, demo version 1. So the composer was on the web, and I fixed some bugs and I added new features. So this composer, you can play here the Divi Music Language. You write it by text, and then it play the note that you will write by text. It will play by music. It will show it also visually. You can play it here by text to type it, and also to add channels. And you can also use for assistant keyboard or pads. I added new pads like the chord pad. You can choose and have more octaves, and then it will play chords. It will add it to the editor, text editor, if you ask it. And if not, for example, we can just play and see the capabilities of it. It play the chords and have variations of the chords. It's very nice also by octaves if you want. So that's basically the pad for the chord. There is also a pad for drums, so I could have another channel and other drums, percussions, and then to play by drums I insert to editor, play kick. You see it show it kick, snare, it add it to the text editor, and after that I can play it, and it will really play it, and then I can see it also visually. Also, I can see it in the touch channel here. If I switch to 3D or 2D, I can see the kick snare that I have written here, and when I will play it, it will play it here too. And the 3D, it's also another feature that I added, that we can play and see it here by 3D. So here, if I want, I play the chords, for example. I return to the chords pad. I play more chords. I play C. I play now F. And let's play another C and G. C. And let's play another G. All insert to the text box. I could write it also by myself, and then it would play too. So it can write it. It would understand it with the DV boxes and separation marks, or without. In this case, that's the Composer Pro. So I will do for us also demonstration of something that I will load for us, a file. And in this file we have also channels, examples. So here, for example, channel 1, it's piano. Here I could export all of it to PDF, and then we could see the notations in PDF. So you see channel 1, sorry, again. So we can see channel 1, piano. We can see the notes, channel 2, electric piano, channel 3, guitar, strings, cello. All have the notes, some with musical degrees, some here frequencies even, percussions in the end, also with notes, wood, cello. So all of it here. We can just play channel by channel, and it will play it for us. We can see it also in the visual layer attached, and it's very nice. 2D, 3D, what we feel. And that was one channel, for example. So I could go and for another channel and play what we have here. Sorry. Let's here stop it. So here we move to another channel. We have electrical piano, so we go here, we play it, and with 3D rendering. Again, let's stop. So it plays the chords that are here, and also with the bass written in the left hand. Here it's electrical piano, so 2 lines, left hand, right hand together. Here, for example, we have with Chinese, it's strings, violin, so we can go again 3D, play it. One moment. Let's try to play it now. So with Chinese, we do play. Oops. So it plays it, you see it, show it, it plays it. All okay. When I move in the software, it's a bit made it heavy, but it plays, you see, smoothly. Very nice. It's with Chinese. You see what's written here with Chinese. So very beautiful. We can see it written here above with the notation in Chinese. Below we see the channel, how it plays it, the visual layer in 3D. Beautiful, and it plays the music. So that's the composer. So that's another channel that were, and other channels here we can go by all, but you can see there are a lot of instruments, and also in each channel there is different music. Here also I wanted to show you example in musical degrees in the flute, so we play it with the musical degree, and here show it by 2D. You can show it also by 3D, and it plays the music, and it's wonderful. And I could change, for example, again, I could change here the scale. It could be minor scale instead of, it could be G minor, it could be, I don't know, for example, and then play it like that. I will change the scale, and even minor. And because we wrote it by musical degrees, it can do this kind of magic. We can return to the major, Do major where we were, and it will play it again. So that's the composer and its features. There are more, for example, also the musical frequencies we could play. And again, all of this we could see also 2D, we could see it also 3D, why not? That feature I took from Runner and I implemented here, including the pads. I want also here the kicks and the drums. So let's have the drums only, and I want us to see the pads because there are other pads I added, also guitar, and so again it plays the drums. Let's also show it, one moment. Here when I move, it's the issue here now because it's a bit heavy, but we heard it play it. Again, let's do stop all and try again. So stop all, because I could play the entire channels together. I could also export it to MIDI, and we will do so, or to export it to MP3 or WAV by channel or by the entire mix of the entire channels. So see, it plays what's written here, and also it shows it by visual layer, and it's very nice. Also the percussions in this case. So here I have the chords pad that I can play with, and I can insert all to editor. I can have another octave or more. I can have the drum pad, or can insert to the editor as we saw. I can have the guitar, and then it's like a guitar with a DV music language visual layer colors, and then I can have more octaves or less. You have here entire guitar, you see 24 frets, and also open, and here, and also violin. Also we can have it full, and it's also, I think it's very nice that it exists. Also the wood I entered here also can have full, and you can just play, and you can also insert it to the channels. So that's what we have. If we export all these channels together to MIDI, for example, then we could hear it also with the player, the MIDI player, and that's what the music that composed here in this composer in 10 channels, and now we hear it. And all this we could also export to MP3 and export to WAV, again to PDF, to see it by note. So that was the demonstration. I hope you like the product. So I suggest you to check it out. Thank you very much. I love you people.